chicken looks ready now, and the way to check the doneness is actually just running a dinner knife through any piece of the chicken here, and it is all cooked, nothing is pink there. I'm going to dish it now and turn the stove off first. Wow. You know, one thing that I like about garlic is I can find it so easily everywhere. Something that adds so much flavor to our food, something that we generally have in our kitchen, helps us come out of our boundaries. When you are using garlic, particularly crushed garlic, make sure it doesn't get burnt, because burning makes the garlic taste bitter, and so if it does get burnt, discard it. Don't keep using it. Don't continue with the dish. So that was my last tip on garlic. This whole thing looks excellent. We will garnish it with the sauteed garlic that we had.